Hi, this is Team Trojan Horse, and we present to you guys BioNova, a smart lab assistant for CRISPR. We know that gene editing is one of the most powerful technologies of our time. From curing genetic diseases to engineering better crops, tools like CRISPR are transforming what's possible in medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. But for CRISPR to truly live up to its potential, we need it to be accurate, reproducible, and secure. And right now, it's not. The three major points faced during gene editing are inaccurate guide RNA design. The guide RNA tells the CRISPR where to cut the DNA. These inaccuracies leads to faulty cuts at the time of gene editing. The second point that came to our notice was the lab conditions. Even the smallest change in lab conditions like temperature or humidity can completely alter CRISPR results, making the experiments unreliable and nearly impossible to reproduce. The third point that came to our notice was poor data traceability. Research data is scattered across notebooks, hard drives, and cloud folders with no audit trail. This slows down collaboration and creates risk of data loss or tampering.
So this is our landing page BioNova, which is an AI-powered crisp intelligence. We'll get to see the UI here, and first we have to log in with our Gmail, and after login, we'll simply go to the dashboard where you can see your account. Here you can see wallet status. If the wallet is not activated, connect the wallet to the any site like MetaMask. After in Gene Predictor, we can predict the gRNA by simply inserting the sequence of DNA and predict, and you can get the predict result. Here the T is exchanging with C. In Lab Monitor, it will show the real-time temperature, humidity, pH level of the environment using IoT. If the temperature goes high, it will buzz and it will show an alert message. We are entering the experiment data to the blockchain by entering the sample ID and the sample type. You can see the file has been saved. Synapse AI, our smart assistant, helps user run prediction, answer questions, and manage lab workflows.